Okay, so we've created our bootstrap.css based responsive website. We have a couple pages created. Now we're going to create a contact page and maybe a couple other things. First thing I always want to do is connect to my site. Well, I have to make a new site since I'm using a different computer this time. Call it whatever you want. We've done this before many times. Browse for my root folder. Mine's on my desktop. Choose that. I'm going to my advanced settings, local info, and my images folder. And then your files panel, you should see your files. I'm also going to open my properties panel that I may use. I'm going to connect that down here. I also like to look at my CSS designer panel, and I'd like to open that up until there's 2 columns. It's up to you. And remember, we made an index page, we saved it as a template, and we built other pages based on that template. So I'm going to open my template real fast here. I don't really have a contact link up here, so I could always add another one. Close some of these windows. Or I could always change one of these. And a template, I can do that on this side, live view. Sometimes with the Bootstrap CSS, Dreamweaver may have problem displaying the template. You can also adjust that in design view or code side. Try the source code. I'm going to add another button here. By copying some of the existing code, or I could type it from scratch if I wanted to. I'm going to make this one go to my contact page. And I'm going to call this button contact. And then you could do this if you make your other 2 pages. You could duplicate, make the buttons this way, or you may have already made them ahead of time. So there's my contact page. Save all. And update my existing page. If I open my About page, I should see that contact button there. Now my index page did not update because I made that index page before I made the template. So what I could do is take that original template that I had, which was based on the index page. I could just make a new page based on that one if I wanted this page to be permanently hooked to the template. Site template, create. There's my new untitled page based on template. Once again, in our last videos, we made this template based on the index page. So this is basically the index page. So I can say File, Save As, in my root folder. I'm going to call this Index. Basically, I'm going to replace that index page with a page that is linked to template. So if I make any changes to the HTML on the template, it'll carry across automatically to the index page also. Give it a second. Either way would work fine, but this way it's easier to update. Okay, good. Now I'm going to make a new page for my contact page. Site template, biz template, create. There we are. I'm going to save this as contact.html. Give it a second. Okay, in our next video, we'll come back and do some changes to this